Hi everyone and welcome to my channel Bon. Today I'm going to show you how to make my No Bake Oreo Cheesecake. You only need 5 ingredients to make this stunning cheesecake, and believe me, no one can say no to this extremely delicious cheesecake. So let's get started by blitzing our Oreo cookies in a chopper, or you can just bash them with a rolling pin. Then add it all to your melted butter and mix to combine. Once it's all mixed, then dump into a 9-inch cheesecake pan. Spread it out with your spatula. Make sure it's nice and even. Then use a spoon to smooth it out. Once your cookie base is nice and smooth, then place in a refrigerator while you make your cheesecake filling. Now to a bowl, add in your room temperature cream cheese. Then add in some icing sugar and beat for about 3 to 4 minutes so that it gets thick and creamy. Scrape the sides of the bowl in between so that it all gets creamed well. Now if you're new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on any future videos. After 3 to 4 minutes of beating your cream cheese, add in your whipping cream. Make sure to get every bit in there and then beat until the mixture gets thick. As we are not adding any gelatin, so make sure your mixture is thick so that your cheesecake will set easily. As always, scrape the sides of the bowl so that everything gets mixed well. And this is the consistency that you're looking for. Now break some Oreos with your hands or just bash them up with a rolling pin. Then add it all to your cheesecake filling and fold with a spatula. And it already looks super delicious. Now dump it all over your cookie base and spread it out with a knife. While spreading out, make sure to press down so that there are no edges that are left unfilled. Then clean the edges of your pan with a napkin and smooth out the top as neatly as you can. Then place in a refrigerator overnight to let it set completely. The next day, beat some whipping cream while adding your sugar gradually. Once your cream is whipped, then add it to a piping bag fitted with a star nozzle. Now place your cheesecake pan over a glass. Loosen the spring, remove your cheesecake pan, and then place on your serving plate. Now place a round cutter in the middle of your cheesecake and add some crushed Oreos. And then spread out your crushed Oreos evenly. You can cover the whole top of your cheesecake or leave some space like I did. Then pipe whipped cream swirls around the edges of your cheesecake. And then finally finish your cheesecake by topping Oreo cookies. And you have yourself a delicious and stunning Oreo cheesecake. I hope you liked this video. Do try to make the cheesecake. I'm sure you're going to love it.